Alright, so now let's find the distance between the point 1, 5, and 5, 3. And I want to do this using the Pythagorean theorem. And let's quickly refresh ourselves what that says. Pythag says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And what that's saying is if you have a triangle, refer to each leg as a or b, and then the hypotenuse, and yes, it has to be a right triangle, the hypotenuse is then c. And so, if you're finding the distance, or I'm sorry, if you're finding the distance between 2 points, and your points happen to lie on grid lines like this, you can look at it as if it is just a teeny tiny little triangle. And notice that the bottom leg of that triangle has a length of 4, and the other leg has a length of 2. So that's like saying over here on this triangle that we have 2 and 4, and we want to find C. So we can say that 4 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. Do not make the mistake of saying that 4 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared is the same as 4 plus 2 equals c. It absolutely is not, but we can say this. We can take the take the square root of both sides. Square root of c squared is c. So we can get the square root of, I dropped my squares there, square root of 4 squared plus 2 squared equals c. So let's simplify this a little bit more. Square root of 16 plus 4 equals c. And 16 plus 4 is 20, so I have the square root of 20 equals c. And do you know how to simplify this, square root of 20? Well, let's do it. Break the 20 up into 5 times 4. And then, once you have multiplication, you can split it up into 2 separate square roots. And that's useful because the square root of 4 is 2. So now we can write this as 2 times the square root of 5 is c. And we use Pythagorean theorem to find the distance between 2 points.